back to Good to Know. Today I want to show you how to make a really high quality toothpaste. So I used the colloidal silver, then I used diatomaceous earth, xylitol, the bentonite clay, coconut oil, activated charcoal, these essential oils that I had around, and some of them are not in the ingredients, like thieves oil, vanilla extract, some citric acid. I'm always shopping around for different types of toothpastes, but I'm always trying different things that they have there. They have Ayurvedic toothpaste, and anyway, I'm always looking for that one that's gonna say, this is the one, that magic bullet, the one that like I'm going to go with for the rest of my life. And I may have just found it, I think I did, or at least containing a lot of the ingredients that this has. So the brand that I'm trying to emulate is this brand. And I already made it today. I should have done it on video, but I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. And so this is the end result. So this is like a thicker toothpaste, but I actually feel like I got better results with this. So if you don't want to make your own toothpaste, buy this brand. It's a really amazing brand. And if not, if you want to make a better version, then you can make your own at home, and I'm going to show you right now. Well, I was basically trying to reenact and recreate this. The amounts are obviously, they don't tell you the amounts, but they tell you which one they have the most of in order. So I used colloidal silver in the distilled solution. This is my homemade. It's kind of yellow because it never settles at the bottom. Basically all of the silver. And if you want to watch how I make this, I have a video out there, but it's a really good video, and it shows you how to make this kind of silver to where you don't get the silver to fall down to the bottom and settle. Alright, so basically after you get all of these ingredients together, you can start in order putting them into a mixer. I like to use a Vitamix, but you really don't have to have a Vitamix. These aren't like, it's not necessary, but a blender is necessary because when it spins really fast with the oil and water in there, it emulsifies them to where it becomes like a gel. Like you can see right here, that this stuff it's pretty thick. It's not pouring out of the jar. I mean, I didn't think it was as thick as the toothpaste in the tube, but I think it is. I think it's exactly as thick as the toothpaste in the tube. It's not coming out, you know? So, you need a blender. You can't just mix it around in a bowl. I think everybody pretty much has a blender. If you don't have a blender, something that would mix them up well, but it does get thick, you know, pretty fast.